Welcome guys to 30 days of learning Canva. In this video, we will learn how we can make hoodie design in Canva. First, we will search for Canva and log into Canva. Then from Design Spotlight tab, we will select Hoodie Design Template. Then we will select a product image that is a black hoodie. Then we have two options. One is that we can use a free already made design. And second we can make our own design. Let's try both. Let's place this tiger design on our hoodie to see how it looks. Now let's put another design at the other side of the hoodie. Number 2. Let's customize the design. Let's put the tiger design in a star frame. So now our new design is ready. Let's put this into our hoodie. Here is the final result. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe our video.